know this. This you don't know? You don't know this? If you don't know, then CBBO, where is the 15k stick? Mchigwa 15 good. Guno gwa make.
This is for 5k.
Guno gwa 5 gwe nkute mu ngalo. This is 5k.
This one 10k.
Guno gwa mutwalo. Anti magambe guchuka in quality ne guchuka ne Rizla ze tukosa ziba different.
15 tusigaza mu.
We have new Android messages.
So they are rolling.
This is the one of 10k. Quantity Rizla ne Rizla echuka. Olaba Rizla ya 5k. Ne Rizla omuti guno gubeera The one of 15 jiweddewo.
Sorry.
Yeah, 15 esigaddewo emu. But they are rolling. They are rolling the shit out of you guys. So
they are rolling.
I always wanted a gangster lady. Please, will you marry me? So konguleko tulaba bo supporting a business. Sagali akumpita gangster. I don't know. Camera eri making a little bit. So what? Anyoyo. This is the shit we do have.
That one is for 15.
This is 15,000. Camera making us small, but
don't buy 15.
Abemitwe minafu. Don't buy the one of 15.
Buy
Kino Kika kweteleza. What's kweteleza? Wallahi muli bakabinyo. Otulabye tuzze tubawe omutindo. Soma. Which countries do you operate? Cause we do all countries, boo boo. We do all countries. Even when you're in Dubai and you don't have this shit, we nedda. Oyo yatuva mtachakola. Waliwo yali atero tuwe otuyisizaawo ebintu ebyo naye kata kyasobola. Mutunda bichi. Tutunda obuntu obukuwa visa ya USA. Nga toyise mu process number obuntu obufaananako webuti. Bukuwa visa n'olinyirawo n'ogende US. In seconds, in minutes, n'olinyirawo n'ogende US.
The white jug.
This is the sheet. Tutunda omuddo. Free US visa. Obimanyi nze agikolako njikuweerawo. So we have a stick of 5,000. We have that of 15 and that one of 20,000. Oh my God. We sell Rizzlers. Usilie. We sell Rizzlers. We have them in plenty. Gwe wakagendayo emirundi emeka muganda wange boy. Tomanyi mirundi gye nakasoma.
This one is for 15. That jack.
The full jar?
No, this is the bud for 15.
Yeah.
We measure
to measure. We do measurements, we just don't give out for. So what is the difference? Omunyu w'omuddo guno. Aba ategeera difference. Waba mugambye waliwo ya 5,000. 5,000 in most cases aba beginner. If you're beginning to do this shit, you can't just buy guno omuti. Waliwo tins of beginners that aina tunulako. Eno teen beginner tajitunulako. Neno teen beginner tajitunulako.
This is the weighing scale for bud. Tupima bud.
Wabula Ugandans. Abadde yagala olabe mali. Ba Ethiopians. Kuwa omuti lubalula. We give you Rizzlers. We sell Rizzlers. N'ebintu ebirala. Nabagambye nsuubuza. Oba yagala ekiveera nga kino nakyo, we can talk about the price. I want 5 sticks for 10k. We have them.
Yeah.
Otubuulira just inbox me mbasomedde number. Where is the number?
These are rolled.
Mwana enkubye.
The smell.
My grandmother is the original bichi Gadena wakantu ako. Wakantu ako. Grandma babi mala. What are lizards? Oh, mwebaji rolling. Where is a stick? Give me a stick. So if you're going to roll your own stick, tetukozesa bipapula manyi mwamanyira ogula ebintu bya low quality baba sibira mu bipapula tukozesa obuntu obugisiba. It's called a Rizla. Yeyo akapapula ako mwegenda mumanyidde okukozesa ebintu by'empapula ne babateera ebintu product n'ekyuka n'ekyoyina ogifunamu nga lwakuba bakuteera mu papula. Why is the number? Why so many number? 0757 234 741. That's the number. You call, we don't give you our location. Mubi mani. Tetuba our location. We have that one of 5,000. Tuine ya mtwalo. Tuine ya 15,000. They all differ in sizes. They differ in quality and quantity. Newo yagala okwerolingira. We do have all the sheets. Mungeri yonna gy'ojagalamu. Ambuuza kino kizino cabbage. Cabbages are green. If you're asking me what this is, these are cabbages. Ntunda cabbage. These are the cabbages I'm talking about. Ne greens ntunda nakati omukaze. Ntunde budget bombo. Only concentrating on your beauty bow. Thank you. Tustunda. No boyagala chikutia kino nga kijjudde. Please.
Tell them I'm measuring here. Some client has
waliwo client ayagala ndoza mtulaba ebyaffe bigwora buomi.
If you want bad.
Price range please. Price range we have that of 5,000. Nkugambye mba nkusomera price differinga mu Rizla kite tukoseza okupakingira differinga in quantity and quality. So, wawulidanga price eri high kitegeeza eba higher quality. Then if you are beginner and you're new in this type of business or type of sheet, you don't need to go for that of 10,000 or that of
unless nga wekakasa your head.
Ng'omutwe gwo gwekakasa nga tojja gwa ddalo. Is that high grade? Of course, Bubu.
Yeah.
If you've just come. Tutunda greens buli kika greens bugga jobyo. Eriri dry etudiringiramu. Ebbuga ejjobyo oliwa ebbuga lino tuli kutuusaako. Kati oba oyagala nakati saawa zino ninawo nakati na jjobyo. Oba oyagala nakati n'ejjobyo, we have it all. Nakati oyagala mu kupaakingira, oyagala atali mu parking tumukuwa, oyagala mu parking tumuyina. Biyamba ki bannange. Obuuza tebiyamba bakuyitaani? Jay-Z oli mwana muto wano vaawo. Katojja tegeera migaso gya nakati gikuwa energy, gikuwa visa ye US, gikuwa emikisa above 18. Is that high grade? Of course, Bubu, it's high grade.